What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode on Keeping It Real with Credit. And on this episode, we're going to be talking about a new FICO scoring system that's currently right now in the test phase and how this can potentially help you get approved for more opportunities right now. If you've been having a hard time getting approved for a mortgage loan, a new credit scoring system may be the solution you've been waiting for. This new type of credit scoring system is called Ultra FICO, and it works by using the information from your checking, savings, or money market accounts to provide you with a better score instead of your credit cards and loans. This new scoring model is really going to help those who have yet to build credit or who fall within the 500 to 600 FICO score range. It is estimated that approximately 7 million consumers currently have a FICO score in the upper 500s to lower 600s, and another 15 million have no credit at all. Credit scores are made up by a number of different factors, mainly your credit history and the amounts owed. However, Ultra FICO will focus on the financial behavior and not debt. Ultra FICO gives lenders a better idea as to how likely you are to repay your debts. Some of those things that it takes into account includes savings, healthy bank balances, on-time bill payments, and avoiding negative balances. FICO is referring to the Ultra FICO as the score you build, by allowing consumers to take control, and it gives the ability to qualify for more lending options and in return, better terms for you. Now, according to FICO, approximately 70% of consumers who have demonstrated an average savings of $400 without negative balances in the past 3 months will see an increase in their credit scores. So, how can you sign up? Well, the process is very simple, and it only requires a few steps. After accepting the terms and conditions, you will be able to link all of your accounts by providing your login information for each financial institution. Once your accounts have been linked, FICO will be able to use the information you provided to give you a score that better reflects your financial behavior. Lenders will be able to provide you with options to participate through your tablet, computer, and or even phone. By linking your financial institutions, lenders will see your positive financial behavior as long as you have evidence of savings and that you keep a healthy average balance. Maintain a bank account over time, avoid having negative balances, and regularly pay bills and make bank transactions. A traditional credit report does not take any of this information in consideration. So if your account is in good standing, this might be of benefit to you. At the moment, Ultra FICO is not available with all lenders and is currently being used by a small group of lenders during a limited pilot phase to finish fine-tuning the scoring model. Once the pilot phase is completed, the Ultra FICO score will become available to more consumers. Signing up is completely optional, but it won't be offered to everyone. It won't be offered to everyone. So keep in mind that consumers who can't qualify by traditional scoring systems will be given the option to opt in. Keep in mind that by opting in, you will be authorizing lenders to access information from your checking, savings account to evaluate your financial responsibility or just determine how responsible you really are. Those who already have a great credit will not see much of an impact. Now, Ultra FICO is best for those who are trying to build their credit or are just a few points away of qualifying for a loan. Those few extra points can be the difference between getting approved for a mortgage or not. However, if you have an inconsistent cash flow, you might want to reconsider signing up, as you could severely hurt your chances of being approved, as lenders will see an inconsistency within your balances as a risk. If you are interested in getting your Ultra FICO score once it becomes available, you can definitely sign up for the updates in the link I provided below. To learn more, make sure that you check the description and make sure that you check out keepingitrealwithcredit.net for more information on how you can take your credit to the next level. Now, question of the day. What do you think about the Ultra FICO scoring model? And let us know, what do you feel that this may take lending options here in the future? With that being said, guys, I hope that you love the information that I provided to you today. Make sure that you comment, like, subscribe, and keep showing some love to the Keeping It Real with Credit family. We work extremely hard to research information and kick it right back to you as best that we can. So with that being said, guys, thank you a lot for the love and support. Share with family and friends, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode on Keeping It Real with Credit. Peace.